Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2021 Chevrolet Equinox LS. Comes equipped with a 1.5 liter turbo engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as heated bucket seats, Apple Carplay and Android Auto, lane keep assist, forward collision alert, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, you're going to have this two-tone black and gray interior with paneling and storage on the bottom here next to the speakers. It'll come up here to the power locks, mirrors, and windows with the chrome accent. And onto these seats, you're going to have these two-tone heated cloth bucket seats, both manually adjustable, very comfortable. Left side, you'll have your vents and your lighting control just below. Left side of the steering wheel will be your cruise control, forward collision alert, and lane keep assist. With the right side will be your voice recognition and odometer cluster control. Now here you can access your speed and trip info, and you can also access your gauges here, pretty much everything you need, and as well as your economy trend. It's going to be push to start as well. And onto the infotainment, pretty straightforward. You got your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, as well as if you want to sign up for OnStar services and navigation. Below you're going to have the climate controls, pretty straightforward, the heated seats, as well as 2 USB ports, and as well as a 12 volt, some extra storage, and the center console with the parking brake and extra storage. Passenger side, same finish, that two-tone heated exterior look. You're going to have the speakers and vents up top, and then here just access your reading lamps and your OnStar and SOS. So you're going to need 17-inch wheels on Dunlop Winter Max tires. You're going to have the black mirror caps and then the paint match keyless entry door handle. Into the back, you have the Equinox badging there. Oh, lift it up. You're going to have the 60/40 rear folding split seats with hooks and storage on each of the side, as well as extra storage down below. It's a pretty spacious rear. All right, moving on to the rear interior. Again, same finish, cup holder storage right next to the speaker, power window with the chrome accent. Back. Pretty decent legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver's side with rear ventilation, as well as 2 USB ports right in the center, cup holder and armrest, and you got lamps and handles on the side. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2021 Chevrolet Equinox LS, equipped with a 1.5 liter turbo engine, as well as forward collision alert, lane keep assist, heated bucket seats, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and so much more. Thanks so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.